And I know I said I'd fall back.
Hi everybody, I'm Chelsea and I'm so grateful you chose to watch this video today. I'm kind of hyped today because my hair is a different color and I did not have to bleach my hair and it still looks really good. I really do like the wax. I like how the results are. It is messy. I literally just had to like go clean off the pants that I was wearing because as I was taking them loose, since I got the orange dye, like all this like Cheeto powder just got all over my clothes. It came off because it was like just a fine dusty powder, but it is messy. But for the results, I would say it's worth it. I really like the experience with this. I love the results. So if you want to see how I got this braid out in this color, then definitely stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel for more natural hair videos, and more thrifted fashion videos will be coming soon, so look out for those as well. My earrings are from Rumor's Boutique, which is like in Richmond. It's like a thrifty type boutique. My lipstick is Fenty, whatever the red Fenty is, the liquid lipstick. And then my turtleneck is from Zara. I got it for like $3 on clearance. Y'all know I be bargain shopping. But anyways, I hope you enjoy the video and I will see you on the next one. So this is how I wear my hair during the week sometimes. I'm a dental hygienist, so I feel like it's no reason for me to style my hair for me to go and get like saliva and tartar like splattered all over me. And yeah, it gives me time for my hair to dry. So I let my hair dry for like 2 to 3 days. I have 10 twists total, 6 in the front, 4 in the back, and your girl's hair is kind of getting long. I think it's time for another length check. But I think I also need a trim because you can see where my ends are kind of like less dense than the rest of my hair. But I just combed it out, and since it was already dry, it's giving me like a blowout effect. So each section I split into half, and then I'm gonna add this twisting type product from one of my favorite lines, and I'm using like a quarter size amount, rubbing that in really good, and then I'm gonna just braid the section about 1/3 of the way down. And the reason I'm doing it this way is because I didn't want the color to be all the way to my roots. I wanted it to be like a dark roots type effect, and this is the only way I could think of how to do that. So yeah, I just braided it like 1/3 of the way down, and then in the front I'm doing the same thing, combing it out for the blowout effect, splitting the section in half, and then I'm gonna add some edge control around the edges just to make it look a little more neat in the front. And once I brush it in, I'm gonna try to make sure that I get all of the hair from my edges in the braid, but I'm not trying to pull on my edges either, so that we maintain healthy edges, because ain't nobody trying to walk around with bald edges with the bald fade on the edges. No. I finished all the sections and I ended up with 20 total half braids, and I always like to get my parting and stuff out the way first if I can, because I try to make everything go smooth. I'm all about easefulness, especially when I'm doing my hair. So I'm gonna take a little towel and put Phoebe, my baby dread, out the way, and just to protect my clothes from this messy product. So I was still figuring out the technique, but I decided to unravel it a little bit. And this is the hair paint wax that I used. It comes in this shiny box. I got it off Amazon. I'll leave a link below. It's by MOFAJANG. They have a bunch of different colors. It comes sealed off, and then you can see it's like this bright fluorescent orange color, which made me really excited. So also I was like, okay, it's about to be real bright. I'm not going to use very much. So I started off with a little bit and just applied it from the ends and then up towards the roots. And I know I'll be making some crazy faces when I'm doing my hair, but I feel like I'm just like concentrating and thinking really hard about what I'm doing. And yeah, but I tried to smell it to see if it had a smell, And I agree with what Ambrosia Marlboro said. I watched her video. She said it smells like men's deodorant. It's not very strong, but that's the type of scent it is. So I just kept adding more, brushing it through, and it still wasn't showing up as much as I wanted it to. So I decided to braid it down just a little bit. And then for each section, I decided to add a good amount of the wax just to make sure I'm getting all my strands coated and that it shows up. So I'll add it to that section, braid it a little bit until a section that doesn't have as much wax is like on my right hand side, so that it's easy for me to add more wax. So I'll braid it again, and then this section doesn't have as much wax, so I'll add some more, and then just keep braiding down just like normal. At this point, I was kind of like, I don't really know what to expect from this, so I just kept going. I feel like that happens a lot with my styles. I'm like, I don't know where this is going, but just keep going. Just keep going. Hey, comment below if you know that song by Toby Lou. But anyways, I braided it all the way to the end, and then at the end, I two strand twisted it like I usually do, just to get a nice coil at the end. And at this point I was like, am I using too much? Because the braid was pretty stiff. It looks nice and neat, but you can see that it's very stiff, and some of the product is like sitting on top of it. But by the time I got to the front, I was pretty much confident with the technique. So I'm gonna unravel it a little bit. I was unraveling it before I added the wax, but I don't know, I guess I got messed up on this one. And I'm adding like a whole lot, and then brushing it through with this detangling brush that I got from the beauty supply store for $2, and it just helps to coat the strands. And you can see that like as I add more and brush it through, my hair started to revert back. You can see my ends kind of curling up, because the first ingredient in this hair paint wax is water, so it's a moisturizing product. So I think it's nice for styling. Like if this didn't have any color in it, I feel like it would be a great styler. So I'm just going to braid it all the way down to the end, and once I get where I can't braid anymore, I'm just gonna 2-strand twist it and coil it. So once I got done with all of them, they were like really very stiff, and so I felt inclined to do whatever this is, because I am so weird. But yeah, it gets all over your hands. I ended up wearing the braids out to a work event, and I still thought it was cute with a little scarf on it. But it was time to take them out, and as I unraveled them, it's kind of cool to see, because like it creates this gold type cast when you look at it, but as soon as you start to take it loose, you can see the orange like really coming through. It's like a reddish orange on my hair versus how fluorescent it looks in the jar, which I thought was pretty cool. And as the days went by, the color got lighter and lighter, so you get a mix of different colors for one application. And the definition, I'm telling you, like I was so hype about this definition. And when you have color in your hair, it automatically makes your definition look more poppin', I guess you would say. So yeah, your girl was hype. I'm always like cutting out crazy parts of my videos, but I'm just gonna leave them in because I think you should know how weird I am. Yeah, so I was showing you my hands because the hair paint wax does wash off fine with soap and water from your hands, but as I started to separate for more volume, they just got back orange again. But anyways, I'm separating from the ends to reduce frizz, and like this product, like there was barely any frizz with the braid out. Like it looked so good. I was so excited about it, and it lasted a really long time too. So this product I really like. I'm so hyped. I'm gonna try like all the different colors, especially for summer. It's about to be so much fun. Yes, so one side versus the other, you can see how much volume I have. And the story behind this is my mom came in and she was gassing me up about how good my hair looks, and that was just the reaction that I had. And anyways, yeah, I was hype about this style. I'm not even gonna lie, it looks good to me. I'm gonna be using it more, so definitely let me know if this video was helpful, if there's anything I could do to make it more helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more natural hair videos. Give this video a thumbs up please if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what you think about the look, or if you've ever tried the wax and how it worked for you. But I will see you on my next video. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching.